Martin Engineering's service technicians will arrive on scene with a fully stocked trailer ready to core drill and place our newly patented core gate. Once a location for an air cannon is identified, the vessel wall will be prepared for core drilling. This will include placement of drill anchor points, removal of vessel's outer wall, welding the core gate to the wall, and sliding the isolation gate into place. Our service technicians will then mount the core drill and check for alignment. The automated drill is started, and our technicians will monitor the progress from a distance as it works through the refractory. When the hole is complete, the drill will automatically retract and allow us to insert our isolation gate. The core drill is able to drill through various depths of refractory. After the isolation gate is in place, technicians will mount the Smart Series assemblies. Once the nozzle assemblies are mounted, they will insert our Smart Series nozzle into the assembly. After the nozzle is installed, the top tab from the isolation gate is broken off and inserted back into the core gate to create a complete seal. Martin Engineering has the technology and ability to add air cannons and ports to your system exactly when you need it, without the need for an outage or shutdown.